Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway. This is the road from Harborview to Yalos. Now it was officially opened, or it has been officially opened by the Prime Minister. And the Prime Minister has referred to this highway as a corridor of development. This road is going to open up the eastern part of the island. Well, it has opened it up already because a lot of developments been have started because of this highway. So at the opening ceremony, the Prime Minister outlined that St. Thomas never really got a lot of development, never got a lot of infrastructure from the governments in the past. And this highway is going to change all of that. Now, for many years, St. Thomas was referred to as the forgotten parish because there was just nothing going on over there. But that has changed now with the opening of this highway, and that's why it is now dubbed the corridor of development. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the opening of the highway. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, on Tuesday, February 6, opened the 4-lane highway from Harborview to Yalos Bridge in St. Thomas, which he has dubbed a corridor of development. The 17-kilometer roadway represents Part B2 of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, a flagship program of the government. Delivering the keynote address at the opening ceremony in Bull Bay, Mr. Holness pointed out that this is the largest investment in St. Thomas since the Morant Bay Rebellion, and serves as a testament that the parish is at the forefront of the government's agenda. St. Thomas is witnessing a remarkable change in its infrastructure, particularly in roadways and public facilities. The Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is a catalyst for this transformation. The highway is set to enhance the economic foundations of St. Thomas, offering numerous opportunities for its residents, he noted. The Prime Minister outlined that this leg of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is much more than a new road, as it will significantly enhance critical infrastructure such as the widening and realigning of the existing road to make it safer and more efficient, and the upgrading of drains. The Prime Minister urged residents to report any challenges they may encounter in their use of the highway. The road will be watched and studied carefully over its lifetime, but intensely in the first 2 years of its operation, because that is when you begin to understand water flows. That is when you begin to develop models of patterns so you can now know where to put in a drain, which drain needs to be expanded in an embankment, if an embankment needs to be built, he pointed out. This project was implemented by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, and it involved co-funding from the government of Jamaica and the China Exim Bank. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So what do you think about this highway and what it means for St. Thomas? Actually, yeah, for St. Thomas and Portland, the eastern part of the island. Now, this section is that was open is between Harborview and Yalos. The rest of the road is still under construction, or other sections is still under construction. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.